sell tickets, making sure that show flow goes well. Well, this lady deserves, from me at least, a huge round of applause. Ravina Tandon. She has her father in hospital at the moment, but she still insisted that I'm going to come for a short while, and she did keep a professional commitment. Ravs, the mic is all over to you. Would you like to say a few words, please?
Yes, absolutely. I'd like to thank the whole team of IDA for giving me this opportunity, for doing some good for our co-inhabitants of this planet. I wouldn't just call them animals, because I think God made everything and everybody for a reason, including that very plant or very leaf that is growing next to you. We are all here, that's our ecosystem. That is why we are here on this planet, to co-inhabit it, to live together. I honestly would start at the note of thanking each one of you for being here this evening, because if it was not for you, this event wouldn't have been as successful as it is today. So please give yourselves a round of applause. Seriously, thank you so much, everybody, for coming here and making this difference that we are trying. जैसे बोलते हैं बूंद बूंद से बनता है सागर, तो आप सब एक एक बूंद हैं, और अगर आज एक थोड़ा सा एक सागर का flow हुआ है towards the benefit of, like I said, our fellow creatures on this planet. Thank you so much for being here. The whole team of IDA works relentlessly. As you know, you can read all the information all through the year, all through, whether it's rain or especially in the monsoons, they have double the work, because there's so many of these animals, whether they are birds or they are dogs or kittens that need help. So, you know, they work relentlessly, and they work with so much love and compassion and effort that I think a huge round of applause for IDA is needed. I know you get fed up of clapping till the end, because Tawfiq Qureshi ji here is so phenomenal that besides clapping after every act that he does, I think we're all clapping along with the beat. So I think we are all quite used to clapping by now. So you've already clapped enough for him, so I won't ask you to repeat that. But I'd also like to thank my friend Dr. Sangeeta Vengsarkar, who very nicely, and Dr. Nimisha introduced me to IDA. I'd like to thank Baman, a friend, and his wife who got him into this. So, which I'm sure he's told you all the story yet, have you? No? That story has to be told. So, Baman will, and it'll remind you exactly of Tawfiq, just the conversation Tawfiq just demonstrated for us. There were exactly two tones. There was hers and there was his. So that's going to come across very soon. But I won't take too much of your time. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for being here this evening. It's really an honor. Thank you.
I think there's one more thing I would like you to do. There are these two young girls in the audience here, Aditi and Tanushree. Are you there? Will you please come up on stage? Well, as a part of a compassionate children's club activity, these two girls, these two college-going girls, held a sale of clothes, generated some money for IDA. It was 11,000 rupees, but they spent their Sunday doing this activity, and this money all goes yet again for animals. So, Aditi, Tanushree, please come to the stage. Still need you on stage. I mean, here's for a much longer period of time. I mean, he needs a rap, but you need to come on stage too. There's a very dear friend of mine in the audience who refuses to come on stage. I will not let him, but Pankaj Mehra, always grateful, always eternally grateful for friendship and more. Sharmila Karve of PricewaterhouseCoopers, dear friend, she yet again contributed for this cause amazingly. As did Jayashree Iyer, and now I've just come to know that American Dry Fruits have also gotten on board to make this bigger and better. Funnily enough, I was standing in the foyer and there was a lady who was just leaving. She said, well, my husband is sick, so I need to leave, but I'm giving you this check of 11,000 rupees because I love the program, but more than that, I love what you guys do.
Crowds used to enter, and then everyone would complain and say, why are they here? And I would say, maybe they're here for food. So we started giving the leftovers from the butchery, and then we started giving the waste from the staff cafeteria, because staff waste a lot of food too. So that sort of stopped them from coming in. They grew fat, and everyone was happy. But then they started having kids, so we said, we have another problem. So we catch around 50 dogs a year, and we sterilize them. And so now there are no more puppies, so that's good. And we vaccinate them. We do regular weekly vet visits, and we have 4 guards who bathe all of them, so they're in good shape. Then what started happening since the last 2 years is this became famous, so people started abandoning puppies. So we had no puppies being born, but every week we get around 4 to 7 puppies just sort of thrown outside the hotel in bags. And so what we do is we adopt them, we clean them up, we deworm them, and then we take them to the church on Sunday. And then we make sure that whoever adopts them is, credible, and there are no animal abusers or anything like that. And so we home around, I don't know how many puppies a year, but quite a few. So I just hope that in a small way everyone contributes, because it's amazing that everyone's doing this together. And there are very few of us. There are not many people who really love animals or who stick up for them. So we should all do this together and hopefully make this place a better place to live in. Thank you.
Okay. So, time for me now to call somebody that a lot of animal lovers, I'm sure there are plenty of animal lovers in this audience. Everybody knows of her.
Hi everyone. Arey, kuch to, my wife welcomes me better when I get home here. What the hell is this nonsense? Hi Zenobia. The only complaint I have of Tawfiq Saab's performance, I do have one complaint. That bit he did about husband and the low voice and the wife and the high voice, and I think it's all wrong. It's completely inaccurate. That's really unfair. Because when my wife and I have a conversation, it's only one voice. Where's that low voice? How many times did you inject that low voice? I only say sorry in the beginning, sorry in the low voice, and sorry at the end. What the hell was the other bullshit all about? Argue back? They don't argue back, right? They do. Is he in good health now? What are you talking about? 2-3 things. I just want to say that first of all, we've been extremely generous, all of you, for being here, and extremely generous. By and large, as Indians, we are generous people. But when it comes to, we're the most generous people in the world, but when it comes to applause, sometimes we hold back. And I think these wonderful musicians, when they come back on stage, you will do it, but just so that I feel good, that they deserve a much bigger round of applause. So let's hear it for them. I'm sure that, yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you. It makes me feel really good when musicians and really, really great level of talent gets appreciated in this country. Okay, another thing. What a family. What a family this is. That's father and son. I hope you know that. Ma'am, do you know that? Oh, that's the wife. Who am I talking to? That's father and son. It's so fantastic. In this family, I just want to share some news with you. 7 months and 3 days ago, my wife and I became grandparents. Okay? And it's such a wonderful feeling. It's like having another dog in the house. I'm not joking. But we Iranis and Parsis, we look at the hair. The hair is like so-and-so. The nose is like so-and-so. And we want to dissect the whole body and the anatomy. Right? At the Qurayshis' place, it's different. When the baby is born, they might be just looking at the hand and say, Mubarak ho, haath pe chale hai already. Are they born with those hands? I mean, come on, isn't that a blessing? Really. Father and son doing it together, and the music is great, but more than anything else, to see that wonderful camaraderie between a father and son is beautiful. Ravina insisted that I tell you a story of how I got converted. Okay, we'll do that also. We'll do that. Okay. Well, I'll tell you how I got married. I really thought that Zenobia I used to run a wafer shop. I was a shopkeeper. I don't know if you know about this. I was a shopkeeper in Grant Road selling chips. And every day this pretty girl would come and smile. And for months, the idiot that I was, I never quite made the connection. I said, oh, then somebody, she's coming to see you. I said, really? Wow. And every day she would come. And then finally I got a little brave and started giving her wrong change. And then she would go, oh, you gave me extra? Oh, really? Oh, some, this nonsense went on. So I thought I had it all in the bag. Till she said, you'll have to come home and ask my father for my hand. It's not a joke. The government did offer us the status of tribe and we refused. Yeah, we refused. I think that's a good thing. Yeah. Also because we didn't know how to use the bow and arrow, but never mind. All the elders in the community, come and ask me, Baman, about these numbers, these dwindling numbers. Baman, kuch karo yaar. Main kya karu? What do you want me to do? Zenobia, they always come, Baman, you have to help out. I can't help out now. Hey, I'm done and dusted. I'm going to shut down this. I'm over. My sons will take over. And they have, legally. Right? So what can I do? Karo, what do you go on the honeymoon and supervise? I can't do that. No, I can't do that nonsense. There's these Diya Mirza and these, conservationists, they go on and save the tiger. Say they're going to bloody bugger the tiger, save the Parsi, man. Anyway, so I go and meet this Khadus of a Parsi. He's a priest and also, they're very, very strict. But he didn't turn out to be as bad as Zenobia's condition. And that condition was that you'd have to learn how to love dogs, otherwise I won't marry you. I'm not joking. And I was petrified of dogs. I've been bitten by dogs. My neighbor had 6 dogs, and I hated all of them, I have to admit. They were terrible. They just bit me all the time. And then Zenobia brings this dog, the size of a baby elephant, a grumpy little fellow called Jolly, for all you. And she dumps him on my lap. And I swear, I shouldn't have stopped wearing baby diapers, that. And that was it. And if Jolly had been rough on me, I may never have married Zenobia, I would have walked out. But I think Jolly realized that this guy loves Zenobia and he'll be nice to me. And he was so nice to me, and I smiled, and ever since that day, I've love my dog. I mean, that's the condition. and so that's the story you want me to tell. And I'm so grateful to you, Zenobia, not because, we always saying that the dogs are so lucky that they have a home. I disagree. I think we are so lucky to have dogs. Because honest to God, and my wife may not agree with me on this, but honest to God, I think dogs make us better human beings, as you so rightly said. They really make us better. They make us calmer. They make us more compassionate. And most of all, I think they make us look silly. Because we behave so stupidly in front of our dogs. We have conversation. Other people, what is the matter with you? I don't like this. I mean, Parsis, when they're talking English in the Queen's language. What the hell is the matter? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, our dogs understand the Queen. Even the dogs that live on the street, pavement dwellers' dogs. The pavement dweller also talks to the dog in English only. Bye, come, sheet. Sheet, come here, Tommy. I don't know. Everybody speaks to dogs in English. I don't know, maybe they're like... Isn't that true? Tommy, sheet, come here. Come, sheet. But I love dogs. I love my Layla, my Lisa, and my Gina. And my grandson along with them, Zion. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here, and I'm one of the bravest people in the world. Not because I said all those things about my wife. I'll bhugatna padega ghar pe jaake. On the way home, the tabla will happen on my head, But because I am attempting to do something on this stage, so hallowed as this proscenium, is to do something musical after these wonderful people have performed for you. If you'll allow me and if you encourage me enough, I'd like to sing you a song. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you're familiar with this song. You heard it last year, you're going to hear it again. I'm going to do one more song after that. which will be a fun song which will all take part. You met me the other day, right? Oh, see. It's from you. Anyway, no. All right. So a little masala on the mic and let's hear the track. Sing along, Parsis. Little louder. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I've planned each other course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up, spit it out. I faced the wall, then I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all, sing with me, so amusing to think I did all that. I'm so sorry. And may I say, sing with me, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he got if not himself? That he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words one who kneels. The record shows I took the clothes and did it my way. The record shows I took the clothes and did it my Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Zenobia, I swear. She's like my daughter, darling. All these heroines are like my daughters. Except Farah Khan, I mean, you know.
और हर बार हम लोग एक फंड ड्राइव करते हैं जहां हम लोग सिर्फ लोगों से ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि आप बस चेक भेज दीजिए, बट बल्कि वी गिव देम समथिंग इन रिटर्न। तो ये शो जैसे आपने देखा अभी बमन ने बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्म किया। उसके पहले तौफीक कुरैशी जी जो परकशनिस्ट हैं, तबला प्लेयर हैं, फ्यूजन म्यूजिक है, केमिस्ट्री एक पूरा बैंड है, परफॉर्मिंग अलॉन्ग विद सूर्या। आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी इट्स बीन सो सक्सेसफुल। और बहुत सारे लोगों ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है और बहुत सारे लोगों ने हमारी इंडस्ट्री से भी उनको मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मदद की। मेरे दोस्त जैसे करण हुए, मिस्टर करण जौहर, ऋषिका लुल्ला, सनी देवान, देन देयर वाज lot of my friends from the industry who really helped. There was Raj Kundra. So ये लोगों की बैकिंग से भी, और जैसे कि आपने कहा देखा कि सब बहुत ही एक कंपैशन के साथ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। कोई ये नहीं है कि पेड काइंड ऑफ थिंग है, लोग भी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड कॉज एंड द कॉज इज़ फॉर इन डिफेंस ऑफ एनिमल्स। जितने रेस्क्यू, जितने जैसे बहुत सारे हमारे स्ट्रे एनिमल्स, और जहाँ ज़्यादातर पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती जा रही है लेकिन लोग समझते हैं यू नो जहाँ पे डॉग बाइट्स वगैरह भी हो रहे हैं, तो जहाँ पे वैक्सीनेशंस की ज़रूरत है, डॉग्स को स्टेरिलाइज करने की ज़रूरत है ताकि और पपीज़ ना हों और ये ज़्यादा फैले नहीं। उनको भी टॉर्चर है और जो वहाँ रहते हैं उन लोग को भी टॉर्चर है। तो ये एक कम्युनिटी सर्विस है एक्चुअली जो हम लोग करते हैं। जो इंजर्ड जानवर हैं इधर उधर उनको भी लाते हैं, उनका ट्रीटमेंट होता है। जहाँ ब्लाइंड डॉग्स होते हैं या गाड़ियाँ कुचल के चली जाती हैं कुत्तों को, चाहे वो पंछी हो जो गिर जाते हैं, जो पतंग होती है उसके कांच के डोरी से वो उनके विंग्स टूट जाते हैं। कभी बहुत सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स हम लोग को मिलते हैं, उनको उठा के उनका इलाज होता है। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड cause and thank you for you all also being here. Okay, you are here to एक awareness बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि मैं समझती हूँ compassion is very necessary in every human being.
Your children also help to collect the contribution of amount.
मैं हाँ, आज मेरे बच्चों को भी एक अवार्ड मिला क्योंकि वो कंपैशनेट किड्स क्लब है जो इसका आइडिया का, तो उन्होंने उसके लिए काफ़ी अपने हाथ से ब्रेसलेट वगैरह बना के बेच के पैसे जमा किए हैं। और मैं समझती हूँ बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं जितने आप ज़्यादातर स्टैटिस्टिक्स बताते हैं कि जितने क्रिमिनल केसेस आप देखते हैं जो बड़े होके लोग मर्डरर्स बन जाते हैं, रेपिस्ट बन जाते हैं, उनकी अगर आप हिस्ट्री देखेंगे तो उनको क्रूअल्टी, जिसे स्कूल में हम बुलिंग कहते हैं, वो बचपन से ही शुरू हो जाती है। और कहाँ से शुरू होती है? पहले जानवरों से शुरू होती है। जहाँ एक लड़का एक छोटे पपी का पूंछ तोड़ रहा है या उनको जला रहे हैं या बिल्ली को कुछ माले से फेंक दिया, कितनी ऐसी स्टोरीज हम न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ते हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये मेंटालिटी वहाँ से शुरू होती है, क्रूअल्टी टुवर्ड्स एनिमल्स। तो मैं लोगों को बोलती हूँ जैसे ही आप ये साइंस देखो उनको चेंज करने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि यहाँ से आप कंपैशन और प्यार फैला सकते हो कि जो आपसे वीकर है उसको प्रोटेक्शन, उसको टॉर्चर करने से ज़्यादा उनको प्रोटेक्शन दो। तो ये मेंटालिटी आगे जाके बच्चों में भी एक कंपैशन और एक किसी की केयर करना वो सिखाती है। तो पेट्स आर वेरी नेसेसरी इन आवर लाइफ, नॉट ओनली फॉर स्ट्रेस बस्टर्स बट ऑल्सो टू टीच रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट माई चिल्ड्रन हैव टेकन दिस कॉज राइट एट वेरी यंग एज।
20 साल हो चुके हैं आईडीए को, और आपकी रीयूनियन का
जो
सोचा है?
वाले हैं वो भी दिल वाले ही हैं। तो दिल वाले जितने हैं यहाँ पे आप अंदर देख रहे हैं वो सब दिल वाले हैं, बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन अ सर्टेन कॉज एंड दे बिलीव इन गिविंग एंड दे बिलीव इन टेकिंग केयर of things and people who are weaker than them. They need our help.
What the status of your movie is coming, Mother?
अभी रिलीज हो रही है मदर हाल ही में इन अप्रैल, तो दैट ऑल्सो डील्स विथ वायलेंस अगेंस्ट विमेन। तो सोनी का शो आ रहा है बहुत जल्दी, सबसे बड़ा कलाकार, जो वो भी मार्च में शुरू हो जाएगा। तो वो भी हम बहुत ही हमारे देश के टैलेंटेड बच्चों को ढूंढ रहे हैं जो एक ओवरऑल, जैसे हम लोग क्रिकेट में बोलते हैं एक ऑलराउंडर है, तो वैसा एक कलाकार ढूंढ रहे हैं जो सबसे बेहतरीन।
गोविंदा के ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ है मूवी का, आप उनके काफ़ी क्लोज रह चुकी हैं, उनका बहुत सारी मूवी की है। ट्रेलर लॉन्च में उनके खुशी में शामिल शिल्पा शेट्टी हुई है, आप नहीं दिखाएंगी, इसका कोई कारण था?
मेरे डैड हॉस्पिटल में है
ओके,
एंड इनफैक्ट मैं इसलिए थोड़ा जल्दी निकल रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ वापस जाना है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।